Welcome to Tooltech Geek. I want to talk about the Roxon Flex modular multi-tool. This is a tool that you can switch parts, and originally one thing that it didn't have is a one-handed knife deployment like you will have in the Skeletal or in this kind of Gerber armbar, which is a nice feature to have, but this required two hands to open the knife, which was a bit of a hassle, because nowadays a lot of tools have a one-handed opening. However, with the latest release of the companion, they also now made a blade that has a thumb stud, and it fits actually the Roxon Flex multi-tool. So I'm going to switch this blade here with the new one, and so now we have the pliers tool, and with this thumb stud we could open it basically with one hand. The only caveat is that a secondary tool may try to deploy, so you kind of have to push it back. But it is a one-handed operation, and then to send it back you can do it one-handed if you are skillful. So, but I think that was pretty neat that now you have a one-handed blade. So that makes now the Roxon Flex as useful as these other multi-tools that are one-handed deployment of the knife. Thank you for watching.